Hey, it's Candus, and you guys often ask me how to verify if you have actually emailed your customer or not. So I want to walk you through the reports. You go under Reports to the left, and then we're going to search Invoice List. So actually type in Invoice List. Then we're going to go in, once we find that, click on it. We are going to go to Customize. Go down to Rows and Columns. Change. Then we're going to find the sent box right here. The sent box, check mark it, and then click Run. And then pick whatever date range you're wanting to run your report for, and any invoices that you've emailed out, it will let you know they've been sent right here. Okay, to the far right, you'll see them. If you guys are on the desktop version, unfortunately, there is not this report, but I do have some workarounds that you can do just to kind of see if your emails have been sent. I will link it up above or down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need help with QuickBooks, feel free to check out Confidence with QuickBooks, my online course that takes you from the beginning to the end. If you're a brand new user or you've been trying to figure out QuickBooks, but you've really been struggling trying to do it on your own, the course does come with support, so you can ask me questions and I answer them inside of the course, as well as if you enjoyed this tip and you'd like to receive them in your inbox, feel free to go up above or down below and join with your email, and I'll send them directly to you. And if you need help cleaning up your QuickBooks or fixing something and you want more of a private session, you don't need the full course, feel free to check out up above or down below. I'll have a link for my private sessions. Have an amazing day. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next tip. Bye-bye.